Hello, welcome back to another video of SQLite. In this video we will talk about drop table. So for example, if you have created a table and if you want to delete or drop or remove that particular table, then in SQLite there is a drop table statement. So in SQLite, drop table statement is used to remove a table definition and all associated data. All associated data means index, trigger, constraints and the permission specification for all that table. You have to be careful while using this particular drop command, because once a table is deleted, then all the information available in the table would also be lost forever. So that's why you have to be careful. Okay, now let me discuss about the syntax of drop table. So if you want to drop a particular table, then you have to use the keyword drop, and after that you have to use the keyword table, and then you can specify your database name dot table name itself. Okay, now let me show how you can use this particular drop table statement in practical example. As you can see in this particular slide that we have a table called create table employee, and it's having ID, name and age column, and below you can see that I have a insert into employee tables query, where I have inserted the name and age for a particular employee, John Doe, and his age is 25 over here. And if you want to see the code that I have written over there, if you want to see the code, you can see the code for this, and if you want to see the record which is present inside the employee table, then you can use the select star select star from employee. Okay, and if you press enter and then give a semicolon, then you cannot see any data because we have not inserted the value. So let me copy it and let me insert the one record inside this particular table first. So I have just written the query for the insert statement, and if you click here, you can see that it is giving the error because here the table name is different, my table, because I have copied the code from my notepad file. So you have to specify the table exact table name, otherwise you will get the error. And also you can see that column name is also there, right? So you can see that our code executed successfully. Now if you want to select the data using the select statement, you can see that John Doe is there and one is automatically created by the system. Now I want to drop this particular employee table, so for that I have to use the command drop table, and then I have to use the table name employee, employee. So if you click enter and then give semicolon, that you can see that it is executed successfully. And now if you want to select the data from the employee table, is this possible? This is not possible because I have dropped or deleted that particular table. So that's why it is showing the parse error, no such table is there, right? So you cannot use it this way. So this is how you can use the drop statement or the drop command for deleting or removing all the data as well as the definition of that particular table. So I hope now it's clear how you can use it. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.